Good morning, students. I am Gurpriya, and today we learn about conjunctions. A conjunction is a word which connects two words, clauses, or sentences, or either phrases to show the relationship between them. They are used to avoid making of the text seem like bullet points and to make the text flow. There are three types of conjunctions named as coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are used to link or join two words or phrases that are equally important and complete in terms of grammar when compared for each other. For example, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, soon. Subordinate conjunctions are used to join an independent and complete clause with a dependent clause that relies on the main clause for meaning and relevance. For example, although, as, before, once, though, until, whether, etc. Whereas if we talk about correlative conjunctions, they are the pairs of conjunction used in a sentence to join different words or group of words in a sentence together. For example, both, and, either or, just as, so, neither nor, not only, but also, whether or, hardly when, etc. Now there are certain conjunctions and their uses. If we talk about because is basically used to show a reason. For example, she usually eats at home because she likes cooking. Although is used to show two opposite statements. For example, although he speaks seldom, he says meaningful words. Whereas is used to show contrast. She is very funny, whereas he is boring. But is used to join two ideas that are opposites. I'm very hungry, but the fridge is empty. Besides means in addition to also, it is a preposition. She speaks three languages besides Spanish. Unlike means different from or not similar to. Jack is completely unlike his father. Therefore is used to show the result or effect of an action. For example, she came first, therefore she got a good seat. Provided means if or only if. They can listen to music provided they disturb nobody. Unless means except on the condition that. You don't need to go unless you want to. Since is used to show the result. Since I see you, I am better. So is used to show result. Whosoever says so is a liar. If is basically used to show the condition. Let me know if you go to the school. Or you can say if you'll study hard, you can get the success. Yet shows contrast or join opposites. We haven't finished eating the watermelon yet. After tells us about order or either sequence. I can pass after the green light is on. Now here are some certain popular conjunctions that we use in our day-to-day life. For example, accordingly, actually, after, afterwards, also, and, another, because, briefly, whatever, for instance, gradually, however, hence, in fact, in the same way, just as important, least, last, later, meanwhile, since, presently, similarly, subsequently, the next week, then, to be specific, to begin with, to illustrate, to repeat, to sum up, ultimately, nor, just as important, etc. and so on. So I hope you have understood the concept of conjunctions. Have a good day. Bye.